In the heart of the 18th century, Paris, a city pulsating with the rhythm of change, became the epicenter of intellectual revolution. The Age of Enlightenment, a period marked by reason, science, and individualism, was taking shape, and Paris salons were the fertile breeding grounds for the dissemination of these revolutionary ideas. As the sun set over the Seine, aristocratic homes transformed into intellectual battlegrounds, where the most influential thinkers of the era would gather, exchange ideas, and shape the course of history. Among these intellectual powerhouses were Voltaire, Rousseau, Diderot, and de Lambert, who, fueled by their thirst for knowledge, would ignite the flames of enlightenment. One such salon, hosted by Mademoiselle de Lambert, was a magical gathering of minds, where the likes of Voltaire and Rousseau would debate the merits of religion, the power of reason, and the importance of individual freedom. The air was thick with tension as these titans of thought clashed, their fiery exchanges echoing through the halls of the aristocratic residence. Yet, it was not just the debates that defined these salons. They were also a platform for the exchange of new ideas, the dissemination of knowledge, and the fostering of critical thinking. The salons of Paris became the cradle of the Enlightenment, nurturing the seeds of change that would eventually sprout into the French Revolution. In the salon of Madame Geoffrin, the discussion of de Lambert's encyclopedia was a hot topic. This comprehensive reference work, which aimed to compile all human knowledge, was a testament to the Enlightenment's emphasis on reason and the power of science. The debates surrounding its contents were a microcosm of the broader intellectual awakening that was sweeping through Paris. These salons were more than just social gatherings, they were the birthplace of the Enlightenment. They served as a catalyst for change, fueling the fires of intellectual revolution, and shaping the course of history. As the sun set over the Seine, the salons of Paris continued to burn bright, illuminating the minds of the 18th century, and guiding humanity towards a new age of reason, science, and individual freedom. In the end, the salons of Paris were more than just a gathering of minds. They were a testament to the power of intellectual discourse, the importance of critical thinking, and the transformative influence of the Age of Enlightenment. The echoes of their debates still reverberate today, serving as a reminder of the transformative power of knowledge and the indomitable spirit of human curiosity.